What up, what up, what up, everybody? Back with another video. Trying to loosen these mirrors up because today they're coming off. I don't know if they're gonna stay off, but ow, that fucking hurt. Holy shit. The only reason why I did it is because instead of like $60, it was $30. So always keep your stuff together, you know, obviously. I say obviously, but keeping that stuff just in case. So we got the light tech block off plates here. Looks like a pretty straightforward so now what I need to do with this side is find the right size, and there it is right there. 3/32. Oh boy. So that's one thing I already don't like. Where did they do that? What the fuck? All right, so I got the one in. Gotta get the other one out. My other Allen key did not work very well, so I had to go get a star tool to see if it was gonna grip much better to put in. Turn it back. Just want to get in there tight enough where it can stay by itself. And that's it. Kapuya looks much cleaner with the mirrors gone. You know, the mirrors are barely useful when riding, so I'm gonna try it for a little bit, see, you know, if I feel better with putting the mirrors back on or not. But I think it looks pretty good. What y'all think? Pretty quick mod, 5 minutes if you got the tools, and yeah, super easy. Looks really good. Again, I think these may be like, I don't know if these are a knockoff Litec. The reviews were good on Amazon, but they were only $29.99, and it looks pretty identical to the Litec that you can find on like Motorsport or a Sport Track bike or whatever. They look good. And personally, like I said, $30 was, to me, the best price. I don't understand why all these companies are selling this shit for like $70, $80, $90 for some block off plates that literally just block that off. Like, that's crazy, man. I don't know why they're doing that, but yeah, that one's good. I was thinking about changing the windshield. I think if I can find like a longer one, maybe I'll pick it up, but for right now it works. I like it smoked instead of just being completely black. I like that smoke look, and yeah, it's got to get cleaned after last night. Running it last night, it was very, very dirty, and eventually I might have to get some kind of fender for the back, because every time it's even slightly wet outside, it just throws up dirt everywhere, and I gotta keep cleaning the camera. I gotta keep cleaning the camera out and everything, and I'm just tired of it. So probably gonna end up having to get a back fender. Hopefully it helps keep the back end a little clean. But anyways, that's it.